Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.
Hello friends! Would you like to learn to mix colors? For that, you will need a plate and a brush. Now place a little blue and yellow on the plate. With the brush, we are going to mix the colors. Mix, 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 mix. The more we mix it, the more green the color is. Now let's draw a dinosaur. I'll wait a little if you want to pause the video. Now that I have the color green, I can paint this dinosaur. Isn't it great to learn how to mix the colors? When painting, choose only one direction. I choose to paint up so my dino has a unique pattern. Be careful with the details. Now the front leg. And then the back leg. Now the arms. Now let's work on the head. Remember to be careful with the eyes. My dinosaur is looking really great! My dinosaur is very beautiful! Today we learned to make the color green. What will be the next color we are going to learn? Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye!